Incredible strength and flexibility over 35 is possible. Even if you've lost motivation, this strategy changes everything. Do you have big goals like mastering the muscle up or nailing the middle splits? But no matter how hard you train, it's just not working like it did in your 20s. You're a mature adult now. You've got more on your plate. Work, family, life, it all adds up. And when your body hurts, when motivation's low, even the best workout plan isn't enough. But I'm 47 and I'm stronger and more flexible now than I've ever been. I've overcome major injuries, slap tears, torn meniscus, golfer's elbow, all without surgery. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I stay motivated so I can maintain consistency and frequency with my training. And by the end, you'll have a clear plan to stay motivated, get results, and feel unstoppable. Step 1, sharpen the axe. Abraham Lincoln said, "Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, I'll spend the first 4 sharpening the axe." What does that mean? Preparation matters more than effort alone. Most people jump into workouts fast, but they skip planning, and that's where motivation starts to fall apart. So what do? I look at how I spend my time. I ask, what can I remove that doesn't match my goals? My top goals are family, career, physical mastery, emotional well-being. So I cut out anything that drains my energy from those. Less doom scrolling, less time wasting, more focus. Step 2, begin with the end in mind. Know what success looks like for you. My wife and I recently binged Yellowstone. Great show, but afterwards we decided no more series for a while. Why? It took away time from our son. It hurt our sleep, it slowed our business growth, and it kept me from my physical goals. We didn't need more things to do. We needed fewer distractions. Ask yourself, what can I stop doing to free up energy? Step 3, put first things first. This is key. Do what's most important, not what feels urgent. Your workout, that's important. Your health, that matters more than your inbox. So protect your time. Treat your workouts like appointments you don't miss. Step 4, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness means noticing what's happening right now. Your thoughts, your body, your surroundings. It helps you focus, stay calm, and stop overthinking. And when it's time to train, this is everything. Every workout for me is a mental battle. I don't have anyone cheering me on. No coach, no gym buddies. It's just me, my home gym, and a choice. Do I show up or give up? Mindfulness helps me show up. I use the Waking Up app, and I don't have a sponsorship or affiliation with it. It's just something that works for me. 10 minutes a day, total game changer. So if you're over 35 and you feel stuck, you don't need more motivation. You need a better game plan. Cut distractions, know your mission, put first things first, and stay present. That's the strategy. That's how I did it. And if I can do it at 47, you can too.